Well, myself and Griff are wandering through the paddock. We've come across this young gentleman, Ian Simpson, quite a top Honda rider in his time, and he's been out on the RC45 Honda brick bike today. Are you enjoying yourself here?
Oh, love riding motorbikes still, and
That's it.
just no pressure, just want to get the play the right round, so it's great fun.
Fantastic. And oh, I just got blank. Think of a question, Griff.
So you picked the right day for it, basically, haven't you? You picked up a beautiful day for it, and then you're in around riding. So we've got a bit of a
History.
history
Got a bit of
with
history.
some bikes in the past. Yeah. So have you got any of those particular bikes over there? Because I know there is some over those bikes. That if you have a look in the film, you'll see there's plenty of bikes over there. But if you have a quick look down that lineup, there's plenty of Ian's old bikes. So which one over there is something that kind of dawned on me? It was your favourite.
Massive 45 probably.
It is, isn't it?
The Motorcycle City 600 Honda as well. There's one, it's got McCallan's name in it. Europe rode it obviously. Me and Michael Rutter rode them in '98 at also Grand Prix Northwest TT. So we don't know which bike that actually is. It's one of those.
So we're not going to fight over it, are we? But no, it's an absolutely cool thing. But that is the Motorcycle City thing. That was really quite famous, wasn't it?
It was at the time. Yeah, absolutely.
I remember reading that as as a fun to sort of sitting there and reading it. So you reckon the RC45 and the CBR 600?
And we know what we're going to say next is the CBR 600 Daily Star UR bike. The UR Daily Star.
That's the one that I found. Yeah,
It
I
was.
broke my leg on that bike. That look at that.
That's a proper novelty day, that is, isn't it?
That's a Daily Star bike. She's not a shit.
It was rubbish. It was when you was like, oh god, yeah, that was at the bum holes. Yeah, I remember you talking to me about it before. Right, thanks very much, mate. Really appreciate it. We'll take up a bit more time to take care of yourself.